Good evening, students. Today I am teaching you control of trade cycle. The two important measures to control trade cycle are as follows. First, monetary measures. These measures are adopted by the Monetary Authority of India, RBI. Monetary measures are divided into two. They are as follows. First, A. Quantitative measures. First, bank rate. Bank rate is the rate at which RBI lends money to the commercial banks. Rate of interest is the rate at which commercial banks lends money to the people. People means producers as well as the consumers. During inflation, RBI will increase the bank rate to control the borrowings of the commercial banks. Commercial banks also will increase the rate of interest to control the borrowings of the people. During deflation, RBI will decrease the bank rate and commercial banks also will decrease the rate of interest. Second, open market operation. It refers to the RBI sell and purchase security in the open market to influence the money supply. During inflation, RBI sells security to the commercial banks to reduce excessive purchasing power. During deflation, RBI purchases security to increase money supply. Third, cash reserve ratio, CRR. The cash reserve ratio is a certain percentage of cash that all banks have to keep with the RBI as a deposit. During inflation, RBI will increase the CRR to control the money supply, and during deflation, RBI will decrease the CRR to increase the money supply. Second, B. Qualitative measures. First one, fixation of margin. Margin means limit. The central bank or the reserve bank is empowered to fix the margin and thereby fix the maximum amount which the purchaser of securities may borrow against those securities. During inflation, RBI will increase the margin to reduce money supply. Second, consumer credit control. Consumer credit means credit or loan given to the consumers to purchase durable consumer goods such as housing loan, vehicle loan, etc. During inflation, commercial banks will reduce credit given to the consumers to reduce excessive money supply and vice versa. Third, guidelines. RBI issues oral written statements, appeals means request, guidelines, warnings, etc. to the banks, means commercial banks. Fourth, rationing of credit. The RBI controls the credit granted or allocated by commercial banks. Fifth, moral suasion. Psychological means and informal means of selective credit control. Sixth, direct action. Moral suasion means request. Direct action. This step is taken by the RBI against commercial banks that don't fulfill conditions and requirements. RBI may refuse to rediscount their papers or may give excess credits or charge a penal rate of interest over and above the bank rate for credit demanded more than a limit. Now, second, fiscal policy. The policy of the government related to taxation and expenditure is the fiscal policy. First, taxation. During inflation, the government will impose new taxes as well as increase the existing rate of taxes to reduce the excessive purchasing power in the hands of the people. Second, expenditure. During inflation, government will decrease expenditure to reduce excess money supply. Third, public debt. During inflation, the government will reduce borrowings, and during deflation, it will increase borrowings internal and external. MCQs. First, cyclical fluctuations are dash in nature. Answer, recurrent. Second, during the prosperity phase of business cycle, the bank credit normally dash expands. Third, in recession, GDP dash. Answer, grows negatively. Fourth, trough is dash, the lowest point of a business cycle. Fifth, short-run contractions and expansion in economic activity are called dash. Answer, the trade cycle. Sixth, when national output rises, the economy is said to be in dash. Answer, an expansion. Seventh, during recessions, the unemployment rate dash and output dash rises, falls. 8. A dash is a wave-like movement. Answer, trade cycle. 9th, recovery phase refers to the dash turning point. Answer, lower. 10th, the duration of trade cycle may vary from a minimum of dash 2 years to a maximum of 12 years. When economic variable move together in a predictable way, it is called dash co-movement. 12th, during recession or depression, public expenditure should dash. Answer, increase. Thank you, students.